Hey guys, thanks for tuning into Nev's Garage. Now, if this is your first time joining us, make sure you hit that old subscribe button and also toggle on that little bell. That way you'll be notified when our next video drops. Don't worry about that though, because today we've got a special guest. This is my mate Lincoln. He's going to help us with the job on the Rexy here. Rightio. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting on this under bonnet insulation mat. Okay, now this bad boy here is supposed to insulate between, well, what's it meant to do, Link?
Well, it's got to keep the noise under the bonnet so you can't hear it.
Gotcha.
Keep the heat.
Yep.
Under the bonnet.
Right.
Protect the paint on top.
Cool.
And yeah, make for good whooshy noises.
Cool. Okay. So awesome. All right, guys. Well, let's get into it, Link. Let's do it.
Yeah, pretty good to go. Got a few tools in this joint though. Yeah.
Well, you're right, Lincoln. If you can't find the right tool in this garage, you don't belong near a car. Let's go, guys. All right, so I reckon first, Link, what we've got to do is let's open up the bonnet.
Yep.
And see what we're working with. Okay. Yep. So, okay, here we go. Now we've got the original felt here. I think we need to unclip it, take it off, and then we're going to stick the new stuff on. But instead of working upside down, how about we pull the whole bonnet off the car and we can work on it upside down. What do you reckon?
Sounds good.
All right, so let's move the prop to the upper position. Make it a bit easier to hold in an upright position, then we'll whip that bonnet off.
Let's do it.
All right, Link, so what we've got to do now is just take the bonnet off the car, okay? Yep. So we're just going to have to take these bolts off here, but before we do, right, to make it easier to line up the bonnet later, we're just going to mark where the hinges sit on the under bonnet, okay? Mm-hmm. So just with a marker, going to mark that. That's going to help us line it up later on. Okay, now do have to be conscious when we undo these bolts that we don't knock it back against the windscreen and break it. Okay.
You know what they say, Nev, safety first.
That's true, Link. Well, yeah, safety first. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer, but got to mention these things. You know, you have to be safety conscious.
You do. Just
like mowing with thongs. So anyway, let's whip it off. And oh, hey, Milwaukee brothers. Oh, cheer, bro.
Let's do it.
All right, now we're just gonna get the prop out of the way for a sec, like that, and lift the bonnet off. And just gonna sit him over here, out of the way, down on some cardboard, like that for a sec. All right, cool. There we go. That'll. I should maybe leave it like that. Let heaps of cold air in. No, we don't want to do that.
What's the mat for, Nev?
Let's get it out of the way. Get our bonnet down on the floor, and we'll put our matting on.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. So what we're going to do now is just put some soft paddage down on the floor here, just so we don't damage the bonnet. All right, Link, let's just set that bonnet down on there. Okay, that'll be fine, like that. All right, Link, okay guys, well, we've got the bonnet off. Now, she's nice and snug down on this rug and all the old rags and stuff, so we're not gonna damage it, not gonna squish the scoop or anything. So let's just pull all this old matting off, right? So we've got these little Toledo trim clip removers, and these are basically a sacrificial clip, guys, so once they're off you really can't use them again unless you're extremely lucky. And I mean, let's be honest, they're really cheap anyway, so just turf them when you pull them out. It's all good. Okay. Nice shot, Link.
Nice.
Alright, there's our old fiberglass matting, okay? Now, we're really got to fling that over rainbow, okay? Because we really don't need it. Donate that to the charity of the bin. And here we go, here's our bonnet. Now, let's just get rid of all these clips. And now, Link, I think we really need to prepare this bonnet a bit, okay? What do you recommend?
Some prep wash, I reckon, just to get rid of this light dust.
Yep, prep wash.
Give it that real nice stick.
Yeah.
You don't want your mat flapping around in the breeze.
It's true, yeah. You don't. Yeah, there's nothing worse than matte flap. Right. Well, yeah. Look, it's really not in that bad a condition. There's really no oil or anything. Okay, so let's glove up and give it a bit of a prep wash.
Sounds good.
All right. So we've got our prep wash or wax and grease remover. Okay. Got that ready. Got some old jammies here. Now, I reckon we just go one leg each. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, one leg each should be good.
Monkey's uncle.
No monkeying around. Let's do this one. Boom. Okay, now they're crotchless jammies. Here we are. One leg, one leg.
Didn't these look good on me?
I wish I didn't cut them now. Well, you could wear them as chaps.
Stitch up.
Prep wash, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Link, so I reckon now we've got it all washed and it looks really good.
Yep.
I think we just better blow the excess prep wash from under the latch.
Yeah.
Just so it doesn't leak down against the adhesive. So on goes our safety goggles.
Some kind of spectacle.
And let's give it a bit of a charge with some compressed air, mate. Alright, I reckon it's pretty good. Bob's our uncle with that one. Now, I don't know about your leg, but my leg got pretty gritty. Fair bit of crud on that, so I reckon we did a good job washing it. Yeah, look, I wouldn't...
She's up to scratch.
I think we'd get in trouble if we wore them to bed, so let's get rid of them. And what do you say we unroll our mat?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, Nev, did you hear that car go past before? Nev.
Oh, what?
Nev.
What? Oh.
Did you hear that car go?
Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, were you saying something?
Oh, must work pretty well then.
Oh.
Yeah, I was just asking if you had that car go past before.
What?
Nev.
What?
Such a joker.
Did you say something?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you want? Oh. No, it must work. Oh, sorry, Lincoln. Let's get on with it then. Alright, now I don't know which way around this goes, but oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, well I guess it goes this side down. The sticky side down. Alright then, I'll swap you. There we go. Okay, well it's definitely big enough.
Yep.
So that's good. Now what do you reckon shape-wise? I reckon if we covered pretty much the whole thing bar the vent for the intercooler. And then we'll try and stick it down, eh? So I'll go get some scissors.
Look like you're ready to chop to it there, Nev.
Yep, chop chop. Well, I reckon that's pretty good, mate. What do you reckon? Okay.
Tops.
Let's get the, well, actually unders. All right, guys. Lincoln, I reckon it's time to stick it down.
Yep.
So I thought, what do you reckon if we start from the middle, and then we've got our datum,
Yep.
and then we'll work out from there so we don't end up with being short one side, something like that. Don't know how it'll go, but let's give it a crack.
Sounds good.
So probably just going to have to peel it back like this as we go, I guess. What do you reckon?
Keep it nice and cozy.
Not too bad. I reckon that sticks like farmer's friends to a sock.
I think you're right.
That's good.
I think you're right.
Alright, well, I might get a knife now and cut out the vent holes. There you go, sir.
Well, thank you. Well, that's not a knife.
This is a knife. Or this is the same knife. Would
Oh,
you
yeah.
like this one? I'll
No,
swap
it's
it.
okay.
It's probably okay. Yeah, thanks, mate.
Thanks.
Alright guys, Lincoln, what's on there? Looks pretty tidy for an aftermarket mat, I reckon.
Nice matte finish on it as well.
It does.
Yeah.
I reckon it's, got a bit more coverage than the original bikini shaped mat.
Well, that's what you want. That is what you want.
Well, sometimes.
Depends.
Yeah, it is winter time.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, not bad for a DIY job. So I reckon, yeah, hang on, what have you done?
Well, we figured we did such a good job of that. Do you reckon we could do me as well?
I suppose. I don't know
Bit of
if it'll
heat,
work.
bit of sound. Hello, Neville.
I can't hear a
Neville.
heartbeat.
Nev?
Don't go to hospital like that. They might pronounce you on the spot.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, Link, how about we put it back on the car and see how she looks in there?
Let's do it.
Alright. Alright, Link, so before we put it on, just going to grease the threads of our bolts, because dry threads don't do anyone any favours.
No.
So I've just got a bit of whatever grease you got at home, guys. Always keep your threads greased up. And thank you, sir. Wipey, wipey. There's always time for lube. There we go. All right. Now that that's done, let's swing our bonnet on, shall we? All right. So once again, just make sure we don't sling it back into the windscreen. And we're just going to lift our hinges up. Just sit these bolts in. Right. Now we're just going to line up our marks that we marked before with the Nico.
Pretty good.
Mine looks good, yep.
Oh, looks
Just
good.
going to put a bit of tension on it now. Alright, let's just see how it fits. Take a rod out of there. Just get the magnetic tray if you will, sir. Thank you. And we'll just lower it down. And watch as we go to the edge so we don't peel any guard paint off. Looks all good there. Happy? Latch feels pretty good. Yep. Good your side?
She's good.
Alright, sweet. Let's just unlatch it then. Alright. Now if you wouldn't mind,
on.
Lovely.
Good.
Now if you wouldn't mind, just grab a 3/8 ratchet and we'll just torque them up by hand. just so we don't over tighten them with our impact guns. Lovely, thank you. Sim. All right, now we've just got to make a hole for our bonnet rod. Wow, beautiful. Look at that, that's pretty good. Hey?
Nice.
I think that looks pretty tidy, eh?
It's got a 4-pack.
It does too.
Very nice.
You reckon it goes with the colour okay?
Yeah, definitely.
I reckon it goes together like peas and carrots.
Not like peanut butter and Chinese food?
Both.
Cool.
Let's see how she sounds.
Let's do it.
Definitely sounds more solid when you shut it, eh? It's less rattly. And it's got a nice dense sound. It's not like a tinny empty panel.
I don't think anyone's home in there, eh?
Doesn't sound like it.
No
does
one's
it?
home. I think they're coming to the door.
Oh well, let's stir them up a bit.
Yeah, why not? Can't even hear it running.
And if you stick your ear near the scoop, you can hear more engine sound, can't you?
Yeah.
Well, let's lift the bonnet and see if it makes a difference.
Yeah.
Now this is of course picking up sound from our lavaliers.
Yeah.
So basically the same as what you guys would hear if you were standing here.
Yeah.
So this is bonnet closed. This is bonnet open.
Big difference.
Bonnet open. Bonnet closed.
It's a win.
It's a pretty good result.
Yeah.
Alright Lee, alright guys, well that's about it for this episode. We've got the mat fitted in there and I really think that's a win. I think it's a good result.
It's pretty sound.
It is pretty sound. I think it was a quite easy DIY job to do as long as you've got a friend to do it with you. So I guess that's it. Now, as always, thanks for watching us here on Nev's Garage. Please hit us up on Instagram @GossMedia, like and follow us there, and also subscribe to us here on our channel so you can catch us next time. And anyway, I guess that's it. So see you next time on Nev's Garage. See you dudes.